Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening VS Code and creating an index HTML file in your project folder. Make sure you include the basic doctype HTML and HTML skeleton so the browser interprets markup correctly. Once done, place the cursor where the link should go and use emit or type manually. You do this now because structure matters for relative paths. If you installed Live Server, you can preview changes instantly. This first step gets your file ready for a working link. You will now add the anchor element and configure its attributes. Type a href equals /path/ to /page, HTML link text / for a relative page, or use a full URL for external links. If opening in a new tab, include target equals blank and rel equals nupener to keep performance and security sane. For email or phone use mailto or tel. Make sure paths reflect folder structure. Use / for same folder and / to go up. Save and run the preview to verify the link navigates as expected. You finish by saving changes and opening the page in Live Server or a browser tab to confirm the link works. Make sure to add accessible attributes like area label or a concise title so screen readers and search engines understand the destination. Once verified, commit or deploy. If the link fails, inspect the browser console, confirm the exact file path and filename case, and clear the cache or hard refresh. That troubleshooting step usually resolves broken links caused by path mistakes or cached pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.